Hey y'all, I'm Quisha Elise. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a review on this headband wig that I got on Amazon. Really like these headband wigs because they're super cute and they're easy to do and style, and it don't take a lot of work because I'm lazy and I'm not trying to spend hours doing my hair. This is a body wave Brazilian Remy human hair wig that I got on Amazon. I think it was like $60, somewhere around there. So they're not super expensive either. There's no glue or lace or any of that you have to do with these wigs. And they're, as I said, super cute and easy to style. So stick with me and stay tuned in. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know what y'all think in the comments. In this video, I'm wearing the blue headband, but it also came with a yellow one as well. All right, that is it for this video. I want to thank y'all for tuning in and watching. Again, my name is Quisha Elise. I appreciate y'all watching my video, and stay tuned for more videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what y'all thought about this headband wig on Amazon. It was really cute and simple to style, and it looks like my real hair. What do y'all think?